Here's how to teach any vocabulary using the game Shape Pictionary. This is a game for any size groups. It works great as a way to review or introduce vocabulary. It also works as a simple guessing game. You only need a whiteboard or some paper to play this game. Here's how to play. Quickly review some shapes. Put the students into pairs or groups of 3. Show each group a different thing to draw. Each team has 1 minute to draw that card on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. The catch is, you can only draw using shapes. And they can only draw one shape before passing the marker to the next student. Draw one shape, pass the marker. Draw one shape, pass the marker. Every time they draw a shape, they must say what shape it is. Start the timer. They keep drawing and passing until the timer stops.
It's a triangle.
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
When the timer stops, the other teams have to guess what it is.
Triangle.
Is it a bird?
Yes.
Shape Pictionary. There's loads of talking, it's really funny, and it doesn't need much preparation. That was easy. If you're looking for great downloads, visit our Teachers Pay Teachers page. And for more classroom games and resources, be sure to visit our website easyeslgames.com. Both of the links are in the description.